pop out. We be doing things that we don't talk about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have this new gorgeous honey blonde highlighted wig that I picked up from UNICE, and they can be found on Amazon Prime. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. So once again, here's the wig that I grabbed. This time it's this gorgeous curly wear and go glueless bye-bye knots lace front wig. You guys do notice that it already has the pre-bleached knots as well as the pre-plucked hairline. It has that 7x5 inch pre-cut lace, and it also has that adjustable elastic band. My wig is 24 inches long, 180% density. Now, as usual, I like to go ahead and put the wig on just to let you guys see exactly how I received the wig and to further kind of look at it to see if anything needs to be done with it in order for it to look its absolute best. And the curls are gorgeous. The wig is gorgeous. The only issue that I was having was with the lace being just a tad bit too light for my skin tone. Also, there was just a tad bit of frizz. So as usual, I like to go in and co-wash my wig. So I'm going to go ahead and do that.
We was just vibing, 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 we was just.
So now I'm just getting the wig ready to wear, and I did want some baby hair, so I'm going to go ahead and pull those out. Then I'm just going to go ahead and apply the elastic band just along the front perimeter of the hairline, just because I wanted everything to be nice and sleek and back and out of the face. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, as well as I'm going to redefine these curls. So I let the wig sit and air dry for a couple of days, and the hair is completely dry. I did use that Wet n Wavy curling cream, and it makes the hair so incredibly soft. So you guys definitely need to go ahead and pick that up. Everything that I'm using throughout this video will be listed in the info section below, so be sure to check that out. Now I'm just applying a little bit of my foundation just along the lace to get that to match my skin tone perfectly. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on, and y'all, let me tell y'all how disrespectful my son is. Tell me why. He comes home from school and I have this wig on, and the first thing that he says to me is, "You look ghetto." I was literally feeling cute that day, and he like literally destroyed my confidence. And to be honest with you, I really don't care, because I thought I looked cute. But when I tell you guys, these little kids are so disrespectful, them and their snot noses, thinking that they're right and they're wrong. But y'all let me know, do y'all think I look ghetto? Do you guys think that this color looks ghetto on me? Because I usually never wear colors like this, but I did this particular day because I kind of wanted to just take a little step out of my comfort zone, and I actually liked it. But then when I tell you guys, he like literally tried to break my confidence, but yeah, he failed. I still think it's cute, and I told him I was going to wear it to his school and see what his friends think. So but anyways, I'm just going in and laying up my baby hairs. Okay, so this is what this wig is currently looking like. Y'all have to let me know how you guys like this color on me. I think it's pretty. Like, I usually don't go for colors like this. I might do a red, I might do a couple of blonde streaks or something like a balayage, but for like this honey blonde highlighted streaked wig, it was definitely something different for myself, and it kind of took a little bit for me to get used to it. But after rewatching this video back, I actually like it on myself. I think it's kind of cute. I think it makes my melanin pop, and I'm just here for it. I did do a few modifications just to the roots of the wig. I decided to darken it just a bit so it can match my brows, and I also threw in some baby hairs, in which you can't really see that well just because the hair is so light, but I think it's kind of cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick little style. So this is just a cute little quick effortless look, and this is like what I like to call like a running errands. You know, you have some business to take care of, it's up and off your neck. It's just something cute and quick that you can just throw your hair into, and I like it. But once again, you guys do check out UNICE. They are available on Amazon Prime. I'll have all the details listed in the info section below. If you guys are interested in anything that I use throughout this video, those links will be listed below as well. You guys definitely take advantage of UNICE's current Black Friday sale, and I believe that they're having a Cyber Monday sale as well. All of those details will be listed in the info section below. And you guys, let me know what you guys think about this color. I'm liking it. It's something definitely different, and I'm still loving it, but let me know, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.